All right, what up, Blockster? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of Trending Crypto. I am your host, Ryan Matta. Coin of the day, AAVE. Can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x? I definitely think so. So let's dive in. Let's do a full TA analysis on AAVE and let's see if we can't figure out what our key support levels are and where we think AAVE is headed. Let's dive in. Let's get it. Guess what? I'm not a financial advisor. I may have a plethora of crypto knowledge, but this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. You always need to do your own research. I do not advise that you buy, sell, hodl, trade, or invest in any cryptocurrency. And if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, turn on those post notifications, and smash that subscribe button, I would be greatly appreciative. And down in the description, you can always find chapter timelines in case you want to skip ahead, affiliate links, and links to my digital course. Now that we got the YouTube police off our back, let's dive in, let's get it. A 61 out of 3,023 altcoins in circulation or tracked by Lunar Crush. Correlation ranking score of 48 out of 100. And we can see here all of its social interactions are pretty much down. So crypto's getting hit pretty hard. All right, one of the first sites I like to look at is Lunar Crush. Lunar Crush tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. So out of 3,023 altcoins, AAVE is currently ranked number 61. So they have a correlation ranking of a 48 out of 100 and a galaxy score of a 52 out of 100. So galaxy score just compares the coin's metrics and social performance based off of itself. So kind of comparing past data to current data. And we can see right now, as far as social engagement, everything is down on every level except for volatility is up 82.4%. But seeing how Uniswap just took off kind of makes me think that AAVE might be getting ready to blast off as well. So I come over here and I analyze the charts and we talk about market structure. AAVE, along with the majority of other coins, are kind of sitting at that price point where I'm like, okay, the 0.618 is kind of like my bearish versus bullish kind of indicator. If we are below that, I'm bearish and I think AAVE could be coming down a little bit lower. Now, at the same time, if we hit this level and we're kind of staying here, this could be a really key zone where you might see coins like AAVE start to blast off, and seeing how we saw Uniswap just blast off kind of makes me think that AAVE could be next. Now, when we're talking about AAVE as far as RSI levels, we can see we literally just had bullish divergence print on the daily time frame. So this is what I was kind of waiting for, guys. So we see price over here still putting in those lower lows on the daily time frame. It's almost clear as day. You can see right here on RSI on the daily time frame, over here price was putting in lower lows. And over here on RSI, we now have RSI starting to put in higher lows. That's normally a really good indicator that price is getting ready to reverse. Now, it's not guaranteed. You know, we could still put in one more lower low, but if given the opportunity, we do put an even lower low on price, I would say that that 220 price point is gonna hold. It's gonna be super solid. If given the opportunity, depending on when you guys are watching this video, if you see AAVE below 255 or come back down to that 255 zone, that's going to be a major area where I'm definitely thinking I want to start packing my bags on AAVE. My next leg up for AAVE is calling for a target of $623. Now, in order to go to 623, that coin's pretty much going to need a 2x. So if we jump over here, we take a look at coin market cap. We talk about the actual market cap. AAVE's market cap is only $3.8 billion. Now, in today's world, in the real cryptocurrency world, as far as like our overall market cap, 3.8 billion is not a lot. This coin could easily 2x. So I definitely think having a price target of $623 for AAVE going into 2022, I definitely think that's very achievable. I think we could actually see that target hit sometime by January 15th, give or take. Now that's only if the market continues to go back into this bullish uptrend. And it looks like we're kind of at that level where we're kind of gearing up to take that next big leap forward and really start to take off. But obviously, I still think that Bitcoin might be coming down to put in one more lower low. I think we might see Bitcoin end up right here at like 37,000. That's where Bitcoin finds its new bottom, and then we really start to blast off and start making some real headway. All right, Blockster squad, that's a wrap on AAVE. So my price predictions for AAVE going into 2022 are roughly going to be about $600 to $700. I think somewhere in that price range is very achievable. For AAVE to go down to 200 and then run up to that price point, you're looking at like a 3 to 4x. So I think this is one of those coins where you could easily possibly DCA into AAVE going down to like 250 down to like 200 or 225 in that price range. If AAVE does run up and does one of these parabolic crazy blow off tops, you could look at taking 20, 25, 30, 35% out of this trade. That would allow you to get out your initial investment, and then everything else you just leave in there and let it roll. And that way you got your initial investment out. You're not really risking anything. And if the coin continues to snowball over the next 5 to 10 years, like I think it's going to, I think AAVE is going to be one of those coins you look back on and go, dang, I got AAVE at like a couple $100. That's how much I really like AAVE. I wish I would have not been sleeping and had the opportunity to pack my bags on it, because I definitely would have. Currently, I'm not holding any AAVE, but looking at these charts, if we see AAVE come back down to that 200, 225 price range, I'm definitely going to add AAVE to my portfolio. So I appreciate everybody that goes out of their way to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I can't thank you guys enough, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.